Need to move a domain to someone else's Dynadot account? In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily push a domain from your account to another, no tech experience needed. First, make sure the person receiving your domain has a Dynadot account. If not, ask them to create one. It's free. Then, ask for their push username. It's different from their login name, so double check with them. Next, log in to your Dynadot account. From the left menu, click on My Domains, then select Manage Domains. Before you continue, make sure your domain is unlocked. Now, check the box next to the domain you want to move. Then click the Action drop-down and choose Change Account. In the pop-up, type in the recipient's push username. If you want to keep your DNS settings, check the box below. Click the Push Domains button to continue. Now hover over your cart and click View Cart. Then proceed to checkout and click Submit Order. That's it. The recipient will get an email to accept the domain. If they don't confirm within 7 days, the request will expire. One quick tip: if your domain is about to expire, make sure it's renewed before the move, otherwise it won't go through. And you're done. Thanks for using Dynadot. If you found this helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more domain tips.